family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. You know what time it is? It's the 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all, so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. I said I was going to try the 5 off of 20 game, which I did, and then incorporate it with my 5 off of 25. And y'all, I did good, okay? I did really good for the items that I purchased, okay? So, the first thing I did was the gain, the big boy. This gain right here was $13.50. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching to this deal. Also, there's a 5 off of 20 if you get $20 worth of gain. Also, attaching to the 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So, I got this big boy right here. I got the original cent for gain, and you know I always scan my products while I'm in the store to make sure that all my digital coupons do attach. Okay, the next thing, I got the gain flings original. Okay, they are $3.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching to this product. Then the last thing I got was the gain wax melts. All right, they are $3, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to that product. Okay, so all of these totaled up over $20. So that means that my 5 off of 20 will come off. Okay, then so what I did was I said I need to incorporate some more items with my 5 off of 25, right? So y'all know we got some items that are low out of pocket. So the first thing is the Purex. The Purex, these 15 counts, okay? I got the 4-in-1 Clorox 2. The Purex, it is $2.75. There is a $1.75 off digital coupon that did attach. The Suavitel. The Suavitel, that is $3. There's a $1.50 digital coupon that is attaching. You can get this Suavitel, and then you can, this is the one with the handle, then you can get the other one without the handle, and it attaches, okay? The next thing is the Downy. The Downy, this is the vanilla and the citrus and vanilla bliss. It is $2.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching to that, making it, y'all, only 95 cents. So these are good fill-ins if you want to do the 5 off of 20 along with the 5 off of 25, okay? And then the last thing I got, well, no, I got another item. I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. I got, this ain't the last thing. This, I got the Chic Classic. The Chic Classic, you can get either the men or the women, okay? I got that. The Chic is, hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. $4.50. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching to this product. So, yes, the last thing I got was these Cokes. They are $1 each. I got the Coca-Cola Cherry and then the Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, which, you know, my husband likes the Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, and then I like the Coca-Cola Cherry. They are $1 each. There is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching to those 2 items. So y'all, after she had scanned everything and I put in my number, all my digitals came off, all my 5 off of 20 came off for the game, and my 5 off of 25 came off also. So after everything was applied, taken off, y'all, my subtotal was $10.40. Yes, $10.40. You cannot beat that. Alone, this right here without a coupon is $13.50. Yes, $13.50. So y'all, I I did really good. I did really good. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. There is the Downy at the top. There is the Game Flings. You see where it says 2 store discounts? That means the 5 off of 25 came off and the $5 off of 20 for the game. There's the Suavitel. There's the Purex. There's the Febreze. There's the digital Febreze for that. There's the Chic Classic. There's both the Cokes. And then there's the big boy for the Game Original Liquid. And I said the big boy. Then y'all look at my subtotal. $10.40. And you know everybody's taxes is different. But look at my total savings. $25.20. Yes, $25.20. And then there is this Saturday coming up. There is a 5 off of 25. Okay? So I think it's this Saturday coming up. I think so. But yeah, I'm sorry about the air, honey. My air, honey. I need my air because it is hot out here. But this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul and the $5 off of 20 for the game. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.